Welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and I'm wearing a YouTube t-shirt which I got from YouTube along with this, and I was so excited. I wanted to share this with you. It's so cute, isn't it? And moving on, today we are going to make Jaljeera. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this super delicious summer drink, Jaljeera, which is really good for digestion. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, which is equally important, because without clicking on the bell icon, you will not get any notifications of my new recipes. And it's free of cost, so why wait? And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, which is pudine ke patte, half tablespoon of cilantro, which is fresh dhania, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is neembu ka ras, 2 tablespoons of roasted cumin powder, which is bhuna hua jeere ka powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is kali mirch, 1 teaspoon of dried mango powder, which is amchur powder, 1/4 inch of ginger pieces or adrak, and 1/4 inch of green chilies, and 1 teaspoon of black salt, which is kala namak, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So now guys, in a blender, let's add the dhania, which is cilantro, along with the green chilies and the ginger pieces, the lime juice and the pudina. And now let's add a little bit, say about 1/4 cup of water, so it helps to blend. And now we are going to make a fine paste or puree out of this. So now guys, our puree is ready. So now let's just sieve it into a glass jar and then use a spoon so it goes through quickly. Okay, now let's keep this aside, and now let's add the black pepper, the roasted jeera powder, the black salt and the amchur powder, and now let's quickly stir it all in. Now let's add about 2 cups of chilled water in here and give it a quick stir again. And now guys, let's transfer it in a serving glass. So in a glass with some ice cubes, I'm going to add the Jaljeera water and then top it off with some bundi. Now this is raita bundi, and add a twig of mint leaves and a slice of lime. And isn't our drink looking absolutely ravishing? So what are you waiting for? Make it today. I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. So chatpata, and it's good for your health. What more do you want, right? Do make it. Do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on this subscribe button. Do it right now. And if you do like my recipe, then you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on those links, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye. So refreshing. Really yum.